So you've taken a boat that looks old and nasty, and now you've revived it to look like brand new.
It's easy to take your boat's gel coat from oxidized and faded to looking great with KBS Coatings. Watch and see how easy it is. First, scrub the surface with KBS Clean, which is a biodegradable formula that deeply penetrates and removes stubborn soil. Next, rinse with water and dry off thoroughly. Finally, apply KBS DiamondFinish Clear coat with a roller. DiamondFinish Clear is able to perform in the toughest environments without yellowing, cracking, or peeling. This clear coat is self-leveling and can be applied without leaving brush marks.
It's going to dry just like that. So you've taken a boat that looks old and nasty, and now you've revived it to look like brand new.
Click to see how KBS Coatings can help you restore your boat's gel coat.